Good morning and welcome back. Happy Friday. And that is going to help to ramp up that humidity and the temperatures today. Our dew point at 67 degrees, so it's feeling pretty muggy out there. This is what's going on. We've got this high pressure in the upper levels corresponding with very hot, muggy air. When you get on the edge of this high pressure, though, you start to see some of those storms popping up. And I can't stress enough, even if the water is starting to recede a little bit, we've been driving around quite a bit and we're seeing logs in the road. We're seeing actually pretty large rocks. So the main hazards with this for our area currently, damaging wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Winds could gust up to 60 miles per hour, so make sure you have those weather radios on tonight. We do have that tornado warning in effect for Greene County, and that is skirting along northern Springfield. However, Springfield area, we do want you to go ahead and take cover. It has been a beautiful fall-like day across the Ozarks. You really couldn't ask for a better day to spend some time outdoors. I-44 is going to be a soaked trip, so if you're traveling today, just make sure you're giving yourself some extra time. On the UV index off the charts today. It's extreme, so you're going to want to make sure you wear your sunscreen as well. If you're in Joplin, you're hearing those storm sirens right now. You're going to want to go ahead and take cover. Now, these storms are moving east-southeast at about 35 miles per hour, so you do have time to take cover.
What's the temperature?
Temperature's really starting to heat up out there, Maria. Good morning and welcome back. Happy Saturday. We are starting out with cloudy skies for most of the area. We had a cold front move through overnight. You probably heard some rain or at least some thunder. We had some thunder showers and some storms associated with that, but conditions are going to improve now as we head through our day. Looking out over Table Rock Lake, you can see here it's still pretty cloudy out there this morning. We're still dealing with some of the cloud cover associated with the cold front, but this will continue to move farther out of our area, taking the rain and clouds with it. What's also going on is our winds have shifted to a northerly direction, so that's ushering in a much cooler, drier air mass, so you're going to notice a huge difference for today. You can see the showers that are associated with that frontal boundary continuing to move off to the southeast. We're getting a bit of cloud cover building in, but overall still starting out a dry morning, and we will see this clearing out. Now, a few just light showers left in our southeastern portions of our viewing area. I do think in northern Arkansas you could still see a sprinkle or two as we head through the next couple hours, but for the most part today we're going to see improving conditions. This cold front will continue to move farther away from our area as high pressure builds in at the surface. The high pressure associated with cooler, drier, much less hot air than what we had yesterday. High temperatures yesterday were in the upper 80s. You're going to notice a huge difference today and probably already noticing a difference. Just this morning, the 24-hour temperature change, 11 degrees in Springfield. It's 11 degrees cooler in Camdenton than yesterday at this time. It's 18 degrees cooler in Clinton, but you can see where the cold air has not quite built in yet. It's still about 2 degrees warmer in Mountain Home this morning than it was yesterday morning. Mountain Home at 70 degrees right now, so that cold air will continue to surge south and east, so we're going to notice that difference by the time the afternoon comes around. 60 degrees in Springfield, 56 in Lamar, also mid-50s in Clinton. Temperatures will warm into the mid and upper 60s by lunchtime today, and then highs today will be in the low and mid-70s, so that's a huge difference from the upper 80s we had yesterday. It's going to be very windy as well, winds gusting up to 20 miles per hour, so you couple that with temperatures in the lower 60s at 8 o'clock this evening, and if you're heading out, you're going to need a jacket. That's going to make it pretty cool. If you're getting out to work on your golf game or whatever you're doing outside today, keep in mind it's going to be pretty windy. Winds out of the north around 10 miles per hour, gusting up to 20 miles per hour. Upper 60s by lunchtime, lower 70s for the early afternoon. With decreasing cloud cover, we'll end up mostly sunny today. Area-wide, anywhere between the low to mid 70s, much cooler than yesterday. That northerly wind helping with that, and that will reinforce even cooler temperatures for our overnight. Temperatures falling into the low and mid 50s tonight, mostly clear skies, and that's what you'll wake up to for your Sunday morning. Now, Sunday is going to be another very nice day. We're going to have another slightly below average day. There is a chance for a few isolated showers, though, for extreme southwestern Missouri and northern Arkansas on Sunday. It will be a mostly dry day, but just a very isolated shower chance. We're back in the upper 70s by Monday of next week.